Hey guys, welcome to this video. Hasib here, and this video is about keyword research for a Google ad campaign that I'm making for a swimming pool cleaning company. Keyword research is actually very important, and I think it's one of the most important parts of Google ad campaign. If you're doing a Google ad campaign for your client, or if you're doing it for your own business, you need to make sure that you are doing a very good keyword research and you're spending enough time on choosing the right keywords, choosing the right match types. So we're going to talk about all of that, and I'm going to show you the process I follow to do keyword research. As I said, this will be for a swimming pool cleaning company, so we are not going to target installation, repair, building, all those other keywords. So if you ask me, this is a pretty good example of how to do really specific niche targeted keyword research for your Google campaign. So without further ado, I'll just show you the spreadsheet I use. So this is a blank spreadsheet. So what I do in order to find the keywords is I just do columns like this, and so I just create 3 or 4 columns like this to put the keywords and put them into different categories. So it'll all make sense when I start dumping the keywords here. So I'm going to do keyword title average CPC. So I'm going to just copy it a few more times. All right, so again, it'll make sense when I start putting the keywords here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and separate this tab. So let's just get right into it. So I'll go to tools from my account, and I'll go to keyword planner, and now I will go ahead and click on discover new keywords. And now from the location, I'll just select the locations I am targeting for my ad campaign. For the keyword research, you can do the entire state, even though you are not targeting the entire state for your campaign. So I'm going to do California and then save. And now if you want, you can put your own the business website URL here. That will take like a few good keywords from the content of the site. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put pool service near me, pool cleaning near me, and I'm gonna put a few more variations like pool cleaning Sacramento, pool cleaning Roseville, pool cleaning Fair Oaks, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, I'll do weekly pool service because that's one of the main services they provide, and I'm gonna hit get results. So once you do that, you'll see all these keywords coming up in here, and I think it would be a good idea if I do full screen. So I'll just go back to this because I do it in 2 screens. I have 2 screens. I have the spreadsheet open on one screen and the Google Ad account open on another, so it makes my job really easy. So I'm gonna do one-on-one here, like 2 tabs. So let's start by checking a few things. So this is the average monthly search. You don't need to put that into the spreadsheet. What I do is I put the keyword and the average cost per click, the amount that I need to spend for every click. This is going to be a Google ad call campaign. This is going to be a search call campaign. I'm not going to send the traffic on a landing page. That's why I'm going to be extra careful with the keywords that I'm going to select. So let's see. By that, what I mean is I need to be really specific with the keywords that I'm choosing. I need to see that, okay, if someone's searching for this keyword, they must be looking for this service. I need to have that kind of mentality when I'm doing the keyword research. Okay, so first of all, I'll choose pool service near me. That's a good enough, but not the best keyword, but I'll select that anyway. Now let's see how much do I need to spend. It could be 2 to 12. So I'll just do, if I want to stay on top of the page, I'll just do 12. I'm noting down that for every click for this keyword, for every click on my ad for this keyword, I need to spend $12. And now if I do pool cleaning near me, I need to spend $7.97. So I'll just do 7. I'm not taking that decimal amount. Pool cleaning Sacramento, really good keyword. Okay, cool. So I'll just do this. And then how much do I need to spend for that? It's $17.56. So I'll just do 17. So there's something you need to know. Even though your average cost per click is estimated $12, you won't be spending that amount because your ad will be really optimized. Your ad will be relevant to the keywords, and for a really highly optimized Google ad campaign, you don't have to spend the amount that Google says that you need to spend to stay on top of the page. So if you don't understand what these means, if you search for a keyword on Google and see 4 ads showing up. For the top 2 ads, you need to, for showing up on those top 2 positions, you need to spend this much. And for the bottom 2, number 3 and 4 position, for your ads to show up there, you need to spend about this amount. What you spend will be in between these 2 amounts. I hope you understood that part. Pool cleaning, Roseville, this doesn't have enough data, but I would do like anywhere between 5 to 15, so I'll just do 10. So weekly pool service, that's a good keyword. I need to spend $9 every click. Okay, so I'll just do 9. And pool companies near me is a really vague keyword. They could be looking for anything. Again, with pool service, that's the same case, but I took it anyway. But you know, you have to go with your instincts. So I'm not going to choose pool companies near me because that has a lot of search volume, and that's not a keyword worth targeting. Like, they could be looking for anything. Similarly, pool installation, not my thing here. Pool repair, nope. Pool maintenance near me, so that's one of the things they provide, so I'm definitely going to take this. So I need to spend $9 for this. And let's say pool cleaning service near me, really good keyword for me. I need to spend about $9, or maybe I'll do 8. Again, I don't need to spend 8. It's just an estimation, right? And I'll show you how to categorize these, because that's keyword categorization is really important for your campaign to work. Pool leak detection, not my thing. Resurfacing, remodeling, liner replacement, above ground pool installation, nope. Pool heater repair, nope. Not construction, okay. Spa repair, swimming pool companies, again, this is a vague keyword, so I wouldn't take this one. This has a multiple intent. Like, it's not necessary that if someone's searching for swimming pool companies near me, they're looking for a pool company that cleans their pool. So I'm not going to take that. Pool service companies near me, yeah, I mean, if it looks that you have to spend a little amount, then you can take it. But I can see that I have to spend, for each click, I have to spend about 8. So I'm not going to take that. Swimming pool contractors near me, pool renovation, swimming pool repair, nope. Pool leak detection. So you see how I'm being super careful with what keywords I choose. Pool opening service, pool deck repair, pool cleaning company. So that's a good one. So I'm gonna, because it includes cleaning, so I'm gonna do pool cleaning service near me. The cost per click will be 9. Okay, that's good. Pool replastering near me, in-ground pool companies near me, swimming pool maintenance. Okay, this is a good one. So I'm gonna take this, and that's 9. Okay, I have to spend 9. That's fine. Cool. Weekly pool service near me, really good keyword, guys. Okay, I'll just take this. 13. Pool demolition, liner installation, refinishing, pool restoration, above ground, tile repair. Okay, I mean, depending on the service that this company provides. So a tip for agency owners, or Google ad experts out there, if you're doing Google ads for a business, you have to ask the client before you do the keyword research. So you need to ask 2 things. What are the cities, or what are the name of the areas you're providing services in? Number 2, what are your services? So you need to be really specific with the services that are, and you need to ask the client, right? So pool sales near me, tile repair, care. Okay, again, so this could go on, right? So I'm just doing this keyword research really carefully to find the good keywords. Pool construction, nope, not my thing. Pool heater service, in-ground pool repair, pool installation. There's lots of things out there, right? Tile cleaning near me, so I could take this one. And I have to spend about 7 for this. And pool repair service near me, pool closing near me, swimming pool leak detection near me, pool building companies, pool renovation companies, swimming pool installation, best pool service near me. So I'll take this one. I'll just say I have to spend about 12 for this. And pool fence companies, above ground pool maintenance. I mean, this could go on. So I'll pause this video and finish my keyword research, and then I'll come back to show you how I do the categorization. So guys, I have found 20 keywords that I want to target in my Google ad campaign. I don't want to go after hundreds and thousands of keywords by, randomly picking out whatever sounds relevant to me. As I said, I was super picky. So I have these keywords: maintenance, service, cleaning, and those stuff. The type of keywords that I think people would search and then go to my landing page and then make a call, or just make a call directly from the ad, because like I said, this is going to be a Google ad search call campaign. That's why I was super picky and I didn't get a lot of keywords. Once the campaign is live, I just need to do a few search term audits to see if my ads are showing up for more keywords that are relevant. So I'll add the relevant ones from the search term audit to my campaign, and I will rule out the keywords that I don't think that are relevant as negative keywords, right? That's going to be an ongoing thing. Now I'm going to categorize. So how I categorize is really important, and let me explain the categorization. So I'm going to categorize these keywords into different segments. Each segment will have its own ad group. An ad group can contain one keyword, it can contain multiple keywords, it doesn't matter depending on how many I'm giving it. So each segment will be an ad group, and each ad group will have ads under it that will be highly relevant to the keywords that the ad group has. You know, that's the main purpose of categorization. So we can create super relevance within the ads and the keywords and, you know, the ad groups. So the ads are highly optimized, so we have to spend less, right? That's one of the things that Google likes, relevance and optimization. So I'm going to go with pool service near me. So let me copy this and bring it over here. Pool service near me. So I'm going to cut it off. And I'm going to search for any other pool service based keywords. So if I go through the list, I'll just do weekly pool service. Yeah, that's a good one. So I'm going to take it out. Pool cleaning service. Okay, I'm going to take it. And I'm going to do weekly pool service near me. Okay, I'm going to take this one too. And then I'm going to do best pool service near me. And then one-time pool cleaning service near me. That's fine. I'm not going to take this one. Emergency pool service near me. Nope. And I'll tell you why I won't take this one. Pool cleaning service. Yeah, sure. This one too. Pool cleaning company. Nope. Maintenance. Okay. So this is my first segment. And if you look at the average CPC for this, 12, 9, 8, 13, 12, 8, and then 8. So if you round it up, it will be something like 10. So I'll just do 10 for this. I mean, you just find out the average. I'm just doing like an estimation without doing any math. So the average CPC for this keyword ad group will be 10, right? So I'm not going to spend more than 10 for every click that this ad group gets and these keywords get. I'll just remove these. Now let's go with pool cleaning. So I'm just going to find the cleaning based keywords. Cleaning, okay. Pool cleaning. So I'm going to keep these location based keywords separate. Maintenance, nope. Tile cleaning, I'm going to take tile cleaning, yeah. And then cleaners, yeah. Cleaning company, yeah, okay. So that's another ad group, and I'll say it's the cost per click for on average will be 8. Yeah, pool cleaning, I took this one, right? Okay. Now let's go ahead and do pool cleaning Sacramento. That will be a separate ad group within itself, right? So I'm just gonna cut it off here through a new color. I'm gonna say this is a new ad group. Okay, it's 17. So this is one ad group with one keyword only. So we call these single keyword ad groups, SCAG. Pool cleaning Roseville, same thing. So I'll just do pool cleaning Roseville, which will have its own ad group. And then again, create 2. And then I'm going to take the maintenance based keywords. Maintenance. Okay, take these and then put them here. These will be, this will have a average CPC of 9, right? Okay. So let's cut off the maintenance keywords. And now again, one-time pool service will have its own ad group with average CPC will be 4 for these. And then create a block. Pool cleaning companies near me. I can keep it here, I guess. Yeah. So I'll just take this one a bit down. Right. Swimming pool maintenance near me. I guess I can take it here. Okay. So one-time pool cleaning service near me will be well, I guess it'll, because it's a long tail keyword, so it'll have its own ad group, so it will be more efficient for me to manage it. So it will be 4. Finally, emergency pool service having its own ad group will be 15. I could easily put it under pool service near me ad group, but because it has a higher cost per click, if I do a single keyword ad group and create super relevant ads based on this keyword, the average CPC will go dramatically down. So that's pretty much how I do keyword research, because again, this was a call campaign keyword research. That's why I was more careful about what keywords I would choose, and I just don't want to waste any money on this, on even one click, right? And that's a pretty good keyword research strategy. The more time you spend on keyword research, the more optimized campaign you will have. And hope this was helpful, guys. Please subscribe if you want more videos like this, and let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you need regarding Google Ads, Facebook ads, and obviously Go High Level. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you.